What's going on? Oh man, I'm sitting here playing Arkanoid on my Color Computer 3, and I'm getting ready to do an entire video with my co-host Dalton Wilson on the CoCo3. A very cool computer from the 1980s from Tandy Radio Shack that was a very underpraised computer that deserved a lot more than it got, especially from the CoCo3. But we're going to go into all that in our show. So for now, I'm just going to keep playing Arkanoid until we actually film the episode for the CoCo3. And I hope that you will join us and tune into it. Turn the camera off.